Hey there, Joel here and welcome to this online class. Today is the part 3 video of this chapter, Simple Equations. I hope you have watched the first and the second video. If you haven't watched it, then please go ahead, watch those videos. Then only this video will be a little bit more informative for you. Otherwise, it will just cause more confusion for you to understand the chapter better. Okay, in today's class, we're going to learn how to solve an equation. Okay, how do we actually solve simple equations? The word simple is given because they are simple. Okay, so let's quickly solve an equation like this. All right, so say for example, okay, I have a container and there are a number of coins in it. Okay, the full container is full of coins. And I tell you, I give it to you, not for you only, just I'll give it to you, and I tell you, just count the number of money that is there in the number of coins. What is the amount? What is the logical thing that you will do first? I'm sure most of you all will try and remove all the 5 rupee coins, all the 2 rupee coins, all the 1 rupee coins and put them together. And then start counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and then all the 2's together, all the 5's together. Because just imagine, you don't do it and you start saying, okay, which coin I picked up? Okay, 1 rupee, 1. Then I got 5 rupees, so 5 plus 1, 6. Then 2, then 6, 7, 8 and like this. If you're just going to count and in that process, your friend comes and calls you or your mother calls you. सगले मिक्स झाले आता पत्ते स्टार्ट करवा पडले. This is what will happen, right? So you don't want to do that. So all that you will do is segregate those numbers, separate those numbers. Same way, when we are solving a simple equation, we need to separate the terms. Now what do I mean by this? Let us look at an example. Y plus 4 is equal to 4. Now, there are terms, okay, there are some letters and there are some coefficients, right? Now, what I will do is, the same kind of terms I will put them together, just like how I would remove all the 5 rupee coins first and all the 2 rupee coins, I will separate them. So, this will become, Y will remain as it is equal to is like my barrier, or you can say is equal to is like my container where I remove all the 5 rupee coins and put it in one small container, all the 2 rupee coins and put it in one container. So is equal to is that of my container. So I'll write is equal to 1 below each other, and then this 4 which was in this container together, I remove it and put it on the other side. So when I'm removing it, this plus 4, when it goes on the other side of equal to, it becomes minus 4. So this 4 will remain as it is, and this plus 4 on the other side will become minus 4. Okay, and so after solving, I'll get y equal to 4 minus 4 will become 0. This is my answer for this simple equation. Clear, right? All I have to do is keep them separate. Okay, so I'll put all the letters together, all the numbers together. Alright, and that's how you get y is equal to 0. Let us take another example. Write it down, pause the video, copy it, and then we'll take another example. Okay, so the next example is b upon 2 is equal to 6. Again, I need to separate, so I can see there is a letter, just one letter, and 2 numbers or 2 constants, right? So all I will do is take those numbers and put them on one side. So here, this 2 is divided. So the moment I send it on the other side of equal to, it should get multiply. So division on the other side becomes multiplication. I'll just write it down for you so that you remember what happens when you transpose the values on the other side. Signs, how they change. Okay, so I have a big equal to sign. Okay, and then I have a plus sign, minus sign, multiplication sign, and a division. So whenever you are taking a number with these signs on the other side of equal to, a plus will become minus, other side of equal to, okay? A minus will become plus. Multiplication will become division, and division will become multiplication. And so is the case when you are bringing something from the right hand side of equal to on the left hand side. So something that was minus will become plus on the other side of equal to, something that was plus will become minus, division will become multiplication, multiplication will become division. That's it. This is like the main idea that you need to keep in your mind before taking your first step to solve simple equations. So here what happens? Here I am trying to move 2 which is divided on the other side of equal to. So 2 is divided, I take it on the other side of equal to, it will become multiplied. So what rest everything will remain as it is. So B is equal to 6. This 2 which was divided goes on the other side and it gets multiplied. And therefore my answer will be B is equal to 12. So I hope you are able to understand these steps. Whenever I'm trying to solve a simple equation, the first idea that comes to my mind is trying to separate, just like those coins, okay? And to change or move something on the other side, this is something that you need to remember. Plus will become minus, minus will become plus, multiplication will become division, division will become multiplication. Please keep this thing in mind, okay? Not on your book, but in your mind, and trust me, you will not make mistakes. Let us take another example. Level up the game a little bit, okay? So z upon 3 is equal to 8 upon 2. Alright, so I have 3 constants and 1 letter, 1 variable. So all I want to do is take all the numbers on the other side and keep letter on one side, okay? Because I'm separating them, right? So I'll write z as it is, equal to as it is. So how do I remember? I want to keep this letter here only. I don't want to move it. So I'll write it there because I don't want to move. Whatever I need to move, I will write it afterwards. Is equal to, I want to keep it there, I can't move any is equal to, so I'll write is equal to just below that, okay? Now 3, I want to take it on the other side. It is right now divided. When it goes on the other side, it gets multiplied. It will be multiplied. But with what is it multiplying? It is multiplying with 8 upon 2. This was your expression, fraction here. 3 which was under division on the side of equal to. On the right hand side, it gets multiplied. So this is what we will get. And finally, I will get 8 3s is 24 upon 2. Okay, and I can cancel this. How do I cancel? Simple. Think of the small number, keep it in your mind, and that number multiplied by 1 is 2 and 12 is 24. So Z is nothing but 12. Okay, I hope you know how to divide like this. If you don't know, then please practice it. It's important because every time you can't be like, okay, I'll write it in the rough column and solve it. So don't waste time doing that. This is the answer. Please copy it down on your book and try to solve exercise 4.2. There are various equations. How to solve them, you need to check. please go ahead and do it. In case you find difficulty in any of these simple equations, write down the exercise number and the question number below. So in case exercise 4.2, third main question, and C question is something that you cannot understand, then you will write exercise 4.2, 3 and C. So please help, and I will be definitely helping you out with the doubt that you have. Okay, I hope this is clear. If you enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends as much as you can, subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care and bye bye. God bless you.